Welcome to this video where we'll have a look at 3 options that are available for the direction of an extrude in Autodesk Fusion. And we'll also have a look at the thin option. We can find the extrude command here in the create toolbar, or of course also in the create menu, and the shortcut for the keyboard is E. It opens up the extrude menu, and the first thing to do is to select a profile that we want to extrude. We can do that by simply hovering over it with the mouse and click. There we have our profile. The direction is currently on one side, which means I can extrude and it goes to one side, either up, we can also go down. And if we would like to specify a specific dimension, we can type it in the box. There we have exactly 30, and that is, if I hit enter now, that is our first extrude. It created a new object. Let's do this again and select that same profile, but now let's select over here 2 sides. And that opens up actually 2 boxes where we can enter dimensions, or we can first drag a little bit on these arrows to see what we are doing and then type in our exact numbers, like maybe 30 up and 20 down. And there we have a new body. It is a 2-sided extrude. If I hit enter, then I have it. And let's do it a 3rd time. Select my profile, and this time we click on symmetric, which means, the word says it already, we go up and down in identical measures. Note, however, that the measurement that we type in, let me type in that same 30 that we used before. Over here it says it is half the length is 30. We can also select the whole length to be 30. And not to our surprise, that means now that we go 15 up and 15 down. One more option to talk about, that is the type of extrude. This is the normal extrude. This icon is the thin extrude. Let me select our profile. Let's now select a distance, 20, and there we already see what is happening. We do not get a solid object, but only the wall. And that wall can also get a thickness. Let's select 6. And we also have a wall location, side 1. It's a bit cryptical, but that means the inside. We can also select side 2. Which means it is now on the outside, and we can also select center, which means the line, the contour of the profile is the center of this wall. If we hit enter, we can better see what we created. It is a extrude profile that has only the wall. It turns out that it is hollow. Note that it is a hollow profile. It has no bottom. This was it for the extrude directions and the thin extrude option. Maybe see you back in the future video. In the meantime, have fun.